Welcome to this series of 6 moves on a birth ball to help you prepare for labour. So beautiful to do just at home, do them daily, particularly in your 3rd trimester and that late 3rd trimester where you're really leading into the birth. It's so nice to relax and breathe with these. Hi, I'm Karen, the founder of Active. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe to the Active YouTube channel, and drop any questions or comments below after the session. Number 1 is just some nice hip circles. So just breathe into this. This can be done at any stage just by itself. If you've got a ball, sit on it, just do some movement and then circle back the other way. And some pelvic rocks, so you're literally tucking the tail under, pressing the ball forward and then pressing the ball back. Forward and back. I'll just show you from the side, forward and back. From here, it's some frog sway. Now this one's a bit more difficult to get into. You squat down low, you place the ball back behind you, and then you just let the ball hold you. So your hips are not that far from the ground and you can just let your body relax. You can let your arms drop and you literally can just sway from side to side. If you're a bit unsure on the ball, you can have a couch behind you so that you feel like there's a safety net if the ball's gonna go back behind you. But if you're just relaxed, just let yourself sway. Breathe deep here. It's almost like a wide squat, letting your hips drop towards your heels. From here, release your hands, sitting back down and rolling your way over to rest on the ball. And then slowly release from there. Hands onto the ball, send the ball away from you, breathe in. And then exhale, round your upper back. Again, breathe. And round. From here, it's a low lunge, so send your leg out wide. You drop and you stretch back. Breathe in and out. One more. From here, you swap to the other side. One more. And then release. And those are your stretches that you can do using a birth ball. So important to get one of these for you. It's really nice. You can also, I used it personally for when my babies were born. I was, bouncing with them on it and for burps and things. It was, a really good investment to get a birth ball for your pregnancy, for your birth, and also for postpartum. If you've got any questions, drop them below. I would love to hear from you. I'll drop a link also below to any of my birth ball sequences and some really good educational pieces, including how to choose the best size ball for you. For more just like this, head over to pregactive.com.